In this video, we'll cover how to create and save custom views. This is a great feature available at the orders page and product page. So we'll start logged into Flxpoint, head to our products page, and you can create and save these views at the source inventory level, product catalog level, and channel listings level. So let's say in my line of business, I frequently need to see a product's ID, such as SKU, UPC, ASIN, MPN, etc. Rather than having to come in and manually expose those IDs each time that I'm at the product catalog page, I can create and save my own view. So we'll do that over on the top right. You see View Default. Click on the settings icon next to it. Click New View. Name it something convenient. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up those data points that I don't really need. Image, list price. And I'm going to start adding the fields that I do want to see. And let's say, for example, I also, since we're at the product level, want to see how many inventory sources I have for a particular product record. I'm going to go ahead and group all of my product IDs together, which you just do by dragging and dropping. So this way, when I open up this view, I'm going to start with status, see all of my product IDs, quantity available, estimated costs, and then how many sources this product is pulling from. Save that view. Then we can apply. I notice only the fields that I just dictated are showing up here and in the order that I set. If I want to toggle back and forth, let's say I've got 5 custom views, I can do that. Here we start in our default. And then I can navigate back to the view I just created.